Hi there, students. Confluence. A confluence. A countable noun. Maybe it could be uncountable as well. Okay, the basic meaning of a confluence is where two rivers meet and become a larger river. So I believe that the confluence of the White and Blue Nile is near Khartoum in Sudan. It's where the two rivers join and become a bigger river. Okay, so it's where two rivers or streams join together to become bigger. Okay, that's a technical geographical word, but we often use confluence metaphorically, meaning where different things meet together. Yes, so for example, things don't normally happen due to one single factor, but it's a confluence of factors. Various factors come together at the same time. Yeah, and that causes something. Okay, I would say that a brainstorming session is where you're trying to get a confluence of ideas. You get different ideas and you bring them all together, and maybe you can combine some of these. So a confluence, a mixing, a flowing together, yeah, a meeting together. They say that the culture in Brazil is a confluence of African culture, of Brazilian culture, and of native South American culture. Yeah, they've all flowed together into one thing. So it's like a mixing of things together. Yeah, the act of, or the process of merging, of coming together. So, I don't know, for example, the London Stock Exchange is a confluence of various different markets. There's a confluence of financial institutions where they all come together and work in the same place. Yeah, I would guess, for example, Billingsgate Fish Market. This is a confluence where all of the suppliers meet together to sell to the wholesalers. Okay, it's a confluence. A confluence of factors. Yeah, when there's a confluence of two or more things, they join, they come together. Yeah, they combine. Yeah. Normally when there's very extreme weather, it's a confluence of different factors. Maybe there's a lot of rain in the area, there's high pressure in one area and low in another. Maybe there are different weather patterns coming in from another place. And this is the idea of a confluence, a gathering together of things. I think you could call a conference a confluence of people who know about the same subject. I'm thinking also of the flow of people walking. So very often, I don't know, for example, Oxford Circus is a confluence where people meet moving in different directions. Or in the underground, maybe there was a confluence of people who had finished work going into the underground, mixed with many people who were changing trains. So they all went into the next train, and this made it incredibly full. Yeah, so a throng, a crowd. Yeah. I guess you could call the World Cup is a confluence of football fans where they all come together. Yeah, coming together of things. Yeah, coming together of people. Okay, yes, so a confluence where two rivers join and make a bigger river, where two things or more join together to make a bigger thing. Yeah, so I don't know. For example, a football league is a confluence of various football teams. Yeah, a confluence of events, particularly. Yeah, I think you could have an adjective confluent, yeah, but I think that's fairly unusual. Okay, so a merging, a coming together, a meeting, a junction, a concurrence, yeah, a conflux, that's quite a word. Okay, so confluence, a meeting of different people. Yeah, a convergence or a combination of forces, of people, of things. Yeah, we managed to find a resolution to this problem through a confluence of our skills. Yeah, putting together of our skills to make something work. A multidisciplinary project is one where you have a confluence of people from different fields who work together. The confluence of their skills means that the project may well be successful. So, a confluence formality. I think I'd probably give this a 7, maybe a 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. You might just use it in a semi-formal conversation, in a business meeting maybe as well. But generally semi-formal, formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin confluens, con together, and fluo to flow. So to flow together, and that's the idea. Okay, so a confluence where various things meet together, join together to create one project. I'm also thinking where two motorways join. This is a confluence. Yeah. The confluence between the M1 and the M25 north of London can be a very busy place where they flow into each other. Okay, so I think enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Confluence.